Hello everybody. So I am doing a giveaway of these two pieces, and if someone is international, I will be giving out my digitals, because I know international mail right now with the whole COVID thing, it's rough, and mail in general right now is rough in the United States. So these are for United States only, and then again I'll be sending stuff out internationally through digitals if somebody gets called on that's international. So we got that figured out. So I had printed out a bunch of owl stuff. I'm unsure where I got it from, so I can't really tell you, but made a bunch of pieces out of owl stuff. This one needs a topper. Let's get ourselves a little topper here for it. I don't like having kegs here that don't have toppers, and for some reason I don't automatically do them, which I probably should, but I don't all the time do that. So let's give this one a little topper here. There we go. And then I have these like little fold out pieces. And then when you open it up, I did put some washi tape right here. And again, it's a lot of journaling space. I tried to keep it very flat so we could, or whoever gets this can go off and just slip it into a journal or slip it into their purse and have lots of journaling space. And again, I just slipped all the extra pieces that I had printed out into this little packet here for whomever gets this piece. Now we'll go to the other side. I really like how I did this. Cute little, you can actually, maybe if you really want to hide something, just hide it under there. Circle. A little doily looking thing here with a little background. Just thought that was cute. This piece I collaged in the front. Did it pretty plain. And then in the middle, yet again, a cute little collage piece of an owl. And if you can't tell, this is my favorite stamp. I love using it. I just think it gives it a different look. But it was a good way of using up my old scrapbooking paper that I've been just letting sit around. And it stays pretty well together. Once in a great while I'll have a piece pop out, but overall stays together quite nicely. But this will be the owl one, that's prize number 2. And then this will be the grand prize, our folio made out of manila folder. So remember, there's a flip here and lots of writing space here and here. Then our lovely little pocket right here with the tag inside it. And these flip down. This one has a little piece of children's homework type thing, but a lot of writing space inside it. That goes underneath this pretty well. Then we have this lovely piece right here where it has some scrap paper inside it. Having issues grabbing the scrap paper. Oh, there we go. Just a scrap piece of paper with, again, that stamp that I love using so much. More scrap paper. And a cute little tag here that I had made, and it has my homemade paper on it to create more writing space. Then this middle piece has one of the file folder pieces that we worked together on doing, experimenting with some inks and stuff. Then a piece of memo paper. Well, memo, yeah, one of them memo packs that you get. And a cool piece or tag here, and a phone call or telephone call message thing here that's been coffee dyed with my cute little tuck here. And it's a double tuck, so there we go. Then this one flips, and we're just going to go off to the side here. It has some coffee dyed paper here, lined paper. Not sure where I got that from, but got it. And I stamped a jar and put some rusty things in it. And then a old receipt, which I thought would be cool. I liked this little pattern that was in back of it. I thought that would be cool to use to write on. Then this pocket here, which I used a window envelope again with this one. A tag in the way back, or two tags actually, I should say. Two tags in the way back. The first one, and then the second one. And then I have an old piece of receipt or something. It says Staples on it, so I don't know. But lined paper in a ways with a bunch of numbers on it for in here. That front pocket that I have here. And definitely more space to add things to, but I thought it was fun and simple, and this folio thing would be perfect for the purse. This way you have that, so yeah. I really like this piece, but I know I can't keep everything. And this has some coffee dyed paper in the back and a piece of that 12 by 12 paper that I was using, and it says handmade with love at the bottom. It's a cute little picture of a kid and a kitten. But this will be the first giveaway, number 1. This will be number 2, and if they're international, you will be getting either a choice between my medieval kit and my Japanese kit of digitals. So that's my way of handling it at this point. I will be holding the answers to the giveaway. It will be just because I know I'm not going to use this. August 31st at 5 p.m. is when it will be ending. I will air it probably around 8 p.m. Central Time is where I'm at. Because I have to record it ahead before I can actually put it on there, I don't have live. I don't have enough subscribers. When I get enough subscribers, I'll be able to start doing live, but I have to have like 1,000 subscribers before I can do that. So please subscribe, like, and comment on these videos in order to, or this video, in order to win anything. I think that's about it. It does use the random, I do use the random YouTube comment thing in order to get the winners, so please remember that when you're on this video. Definitely comment, please subscribe, and like this video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.